to viewers, welcome to today's production. This is Full Center TV. In today's production, I'm going to teach you in a very brief way how to prepare quick and tasty pan-roasted chicken breast in just 20 minutes. The way you prepare your food, it will determine the way delicious the food will be. So in this video, I'm going to explain in a very detailed way on how you can prepare this delicious food. This chicken breast skinned recipe is fast, easy and delicious. You can easily monitor the internal temperature of the meat when roasting chicken. Leaving the skin on adds a lot of flavor and much needed moisture. I use apple cider vinegar, but any vinegar will work. Some of my favorites are sherry, basimi, rice, and chambani benin. You can choose any one you want. Any vinegar you use, it will still work as long as it's eatable. So the time required in preparing this pan roasted chicken is just 20 minutes. I use 5 minutes in preparation, then 15 minutes in cooking. So now, what are the requirements? What do you need in preparing this chicken? The ingredients we need in this preparation are 7. 1. We have 4 boneless chicken breast half with skin. 2. We need salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. 3. We need 2 teaspoons olive oil. 4. We need 1 teaspoon chopped fresh herbs. 5. We need 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar. You can use any vinegar if it's available. If you don't have this, you can use any other one you have is available. Then 6. We need 4 teaspoons cold butter cut into small pieces. We need 1 teaspoon chicken broth or water if needed to dye salt. So now let's go to the preparation aspect as it concerns now. First step, gather all the ingredients. You must gather all the ingredients as is here. You see all the ingredients we need are all available. You must gather them available at your disposal. It must be near to you. Then after that, the next thing, which is step 2, is season chicken both sides with salt and pepper. So you must season the chicken by applying the salt and pepper. That is very important to make the chicken and the salt mix together. Then the next step is step 3. Heat olive oil in a heavy skillet over medium-high heat until it starts to simmer. Place chicken breast skin side down in the chicken net. Sprinkle with the fresh herbs. Cook until the bottoms are well seared and golden brown. 5 to 6 minutes can do this. You cook the chicken to a point where the chicken, instead of looking like this, which is white in nature, they can now change to the color of this nature, which is the golden brown chicken style as you have in the color like this. Then step 4, flip chicken breast over and continue cooking until an instant read temperature inserted in the center of the breast. Rate 150 degrees Fahrenheit. So you continue to cook the chicken until the chicken color or to the change. And I believe 5 minutes is enough to do this job for you. You don't need to overcook it, but you can see the color of the chicken is changing to a golden color type, which made the chicken look very attractive. 5. Add vinegar and cool butter to the pan with chicken. Shake the pan gently until butter melts and the internal temperature of the chicken reach at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 2 to 3 minutes more. So you're going to cook the chicken until the color of the chicken and everything, you shake the pan until every mixture is well circulated, which is very important. Then, step 6, stir in 1 teaspoon chicken broth to the saucer. So you spread any chicken broth to the chicken itself so that everything will mix well. That will make it more delicious for your eating thicker. Now we have seen the theory aspect. Let's go to the practical on how you can prepare this chicken.